What's up, bitch? We're going to LA. We're going to LA for our lookbook shoot.
I can still see you through the middle.
I can hide behind this thing.
Try and that thing almost went down my throat. This angle is probably fantastic. Dude, my head looks so damn big for this. Let's play a game of what's in Maddie's purse. Smells like diaper rash cream. Now's about the time where they turn on the microphone and they're like, we're experiencing some light turbulence, and it really feels like you're about to. Listen, sometimes I eat so much food in a day that like the temples in my head get sore from chewing. Like I've chewed so much that I made my face sore. That's what I'm feeling today. You know how to make your hair look like George Washington? The microphone almost went down my throat because of turbulence.
So you ever been kicked out of LAX? Yep.
Hey!
Daly goes, don't roll the window up on me.
I am not gonna. Ow!
Somebody told me that you had a girlfriend who looked like a boyfriend.
It's windy.
I'm gonna blow away, and my little caterpillars on my eyeballs are gonna go first. They're gonna go bye-bye.
How do you feel?
I want in and out.
I want some food.
Hold on. I had a good momentum
Ma'am.
going, and it just got a little bit too far.
To all my haters that never said I never amount to anything, my boss got a sick hotel.
We made it to our hotel room. I'm staying with Grandpa. Introduce yourself, Grandpa.
Grandpa
What's
here.
up? Let me show you what we got going on in this room. The fridge. You make your way out here. Check this out. About ready to call it quits with today. I probably caught Corona on the plane from the lady who was like,
You got the Rona.
I have caught it. And also, her elbow room was like, she goes, want some elbow room, brother? She throws elbows better than a UFC fighter does it. We got a nice old view right out here.
Why is it gotta be old, man?
Huh?
Why is it gotta be old?
Well, I mean, it's probably been here forever.
It's a pretty dope view.
This isn't it. Here's the thing about having a door on your shower right here. Is if, I don't know if this is like a clumsy thing or like it's just a me thing, but like sometimes I slip in the shower. This is the safety net. There's no safety net.
That's an awfully odd coffee pot. Welcome to Lambeth's Lamb Long Naked.
Dude, check that out. It's actually mint lime sparkling Voss.
The longer it takes to say the word, the more expensive it is. Example, Voss. Do you have any Voss water? Like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Follow us on all of our social media, Pinterest, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram. Everything else in between. Again,
He's good at
thank
this.
you for all the love on our previous vlogs and videos. We hope you appreciate
Yeah,
them.
they're killing it, dude.
They're doing very well.
Yeah.
Tell us what else you'd like to see in the vlogs. But now we're in LA, so you're gonna see some stuff that you've never seen before.
This week's
So
gonna be
stay
crazy.
tuned.